For This Week in Washington, I'm Dan Holler. Congress is back in session, and their big government agenda is the big issue this week in Washington. This week, Congress returns to Washington with plenty of ideas to advance big government and cost taxpayers a lot of money. For its part, the Senate will attempt to pass a controversial policy known as mortgage cramdown, which would allow bankruptcy judges to rewrite mortgages based on an individual's ability to pay. Fortunately, most senators realized allowing judges to cram down new terms would increase the cost of borrowing, threaten the availability of credit, further destabilize the financial markets, and delay an economic recovery. Both chambers are seeking to rewrite the rules that govern how credit card companies do business. While some reforms are necessary, the proposed changes would inhibit the ability of companies to accurately price risk in lending. We are living through the consequences of companies taking on too much risk. Congress should not mandate that fate on another sector of the economy. An $83 billion emergency war supplemental is also in the pipeline. Despite the president's own call for a clean bill, his request is littered with non-emergency spending, including $80 million to shut down Guantanamo Bay and relocate those dangerous prisoners. President Obama is including this controversial and unpopular policy into a must-pass bill because it could not pass on its own. Congress will follow his lead and insert more objectionable policies into a bill intended to fund our troops. For more information, log on to humanevents.com and read the legislative lowdown. I'm Dan Holler, and that's This Week in Washington.
For more information, log on to heritage.org and stay tuned next week for more news and information.